This is a little bit of chaos then. Ah, there we go with it. How do you know it was me?
Try turning around under.
Yeah. So difficult like driving back like that.
Hey, we can't guarantee we're going to be able to do it, but...
Wait. Come on, get going, man. I gotta get out of here. See all their container? I don't know what's wrong with people, man. That car there, I can't see it properly. Here we go again, guys, back at again, another YouTube video. Just checking, yesterday I went and collected this container. I'm gonna go and get loaded now. We'll be out of here like in 2 seconds, so let's do that. Anyway, get back in. I just need to check my lights at the front and then I'll be ready to go, so let's do that. All right, time to go. Hello!
Morning, my love.
So I brought a passenger with me today. Yes, we're gonna be a companion. And here we go. So we're getting out of the yard now. So we're gonna go to Alden now and do a collection. And then I'm bringing my amazing, gorgeous passenger with me.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, look at that trailer. Look at that, look at that, look at that. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get there. If anything interesting with that, we welcome back. And yes, guess what? Just to get to the N6, it's just an amount of traffic, but when you go south, it's all right. It's when you go to Preston, didn't you say that?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, what a palaver. It's your wet that, isn't
Oh,
it?
no, they go right. It's that Preston.
Oh, wow.
Where is it to go to Preston?
Yes, and again, the N6 is a car park, so gonna be here for a while. We are nearly there now, only 2.6 miles. This is a little bit of chaos then.
In here, yeah.
Yeah, it's in here, but it's just a little bit... Ah, there we go with the drama.
Can't go down there.
Oh no, he wants me to follow him.
Oh.
That way? Are you joking?
Yeah, left here, it says.
Oh my.
Left and it's there.
I got cars like left and right here as well. Come on. Because this car likes both sides. Oh. It's alright, we're far, but every time. Thank you, sir. How do you know it was me?
Try turn around under
Yeah.
and reverse this one container or whatever it is.
Well, in the bay right at the end.
Out the front of him, because after you have to go in and there's no one there yet. It's coming after 9 o'clock.
All right, so you want me to turn around here?
Try.
All right, if you move your car, do
I'll
that.
do like that, so you'll be alright.
That's all right, cheers. So you swatch the pros now.
Where are they?
Sat here. You let it. Do you?
No, we can't.
So basically he said just to reverse back there, did he? Is our new driver, the pros on the steering wheels. So difficult like driving back like that. So he said, I think he said in front of that other truck, so the fridge. That's good there. All right, we'll catch you in a bit. Do a man's wave now. This is her helmet. All right, let's put this. Just open that door so I'll let the guys deal with all the stuff. But I'm gonna do something to make their life easier. So let's open this. So I don't know if you can see there. The trail is like an upcline, so I'm gonna make it trying to get straight or a little bit decline to make it a little bit easier for them. So I'm just gonna start the truck, put the suspension down and lift it from the back because the crates are really heavy. So I wanna make their life easier. So let's do that. Don't want it all the way down because it's gonna be heavy this. And then I'm just gonna lift the back as well, just a tiny bit.
Well, that really took 30 years anyway.
Is that alright for you though? It's not like up climb or anything like that?
Yeah,
So wait.
well, we're going to give it a go, mate. We can't guarantee we're going to be able to do it, but we'll give it a go.
So we're having a little dilemma here, is that the 4 crates are meant to be going in. It's not about the weight, it's about the length and the width of them. And we don't know if we're going to be able to fit them in. So what they're going to do is, they're going to go in, they're going to get one of them, they're going to try to put it in. But, are you trying to put it in the other way around?
No, it won't fit the other way.
They won't fit. It's too wide.
Yeah.
Stop there, bud.
Yeah, go away. You need to, it needs to be restrained, because otherwise it's going to be moving around.
So how are you going to restrain them then?
So that will have to be up to you, because if I pull any of my ratchet strap, they will be gone. I will never see them and they're quite expensive. So if you put it,
We don't have ratchet straps to send with this.
I can't send any of mine.
Alright, Paul, you're on, mate.
Having the trouble with that, they haven't got ratchet straps. If I put mine in there and then it gets strapped down, my straps be gone. I'm never gonna see it again. So what's the point of buying them? I'm not gonna get my money back for them. So they get the straps and then we go from there. Go.
Hey, man, lift this.
I know. What I can do with the rest of them, when we place this one down, put the other one where that was, right in the middle, and go and get the other one, and when it comes back, just push it. Just stop there. Oh. Wait.
I think we've got to drag it this way. There we go.
Jesus, that's heavy.
The fork truck, I don't think it's going to push him on. I don't think it's going to have the strength.
Is that one all the way in?
Yes, both of them.
Go on, put it on, we'll see what we can do.
Go, wait.
Right, go on, mate. Flop a bit out.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go on.
Right.
Yeah, I'm good. When you pull it out, use that bit or that one, or even there, push it a bit.
As we can.
Yes. Push it forward, mate. Yeah, we are on this side. It's all right. There you go.
Great. Thanks, mate.
Wow. Tell you right now, I should say. Come on, get going, man. I gotta get out of here.
Yeah, go on, mate. Yeah, you good there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go in.
Whoa, that's it. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. All right. Get me gloves as well. All right, we gotta sail here, put it on, and be able to get out of here. So I just lock the doors, and then if you want to take a picture of this.
Lovely, mate, yeah. Lovely. Is there any, He's given us a picture of the seal number.
Going on.
Yeah, he's ready to go, mate.
All right, we seal the container. We done everything we have to do, and then I'm just gonna do a couple of checks around. Everything's strapped down, but all good for now, I guess. So let's wait for some paperwork, sign it, and then I'll be on my way. So let's do it. All right, let's get out of here. You ready?
Let's go.
This is the first time, well, the second time I take it out, and she's already want to go to Greg's.
Been out for years.
That's short,
Years
so
we've been on the road.
we know.
Throw it on.
Let's go. Are you ready?
Go. Let's go.
Let's go, Joe. There before.
So it's tight down here, isn't it?
It's not even that it's tight, it's just cars everywhere. It's not even tight, it's just people just pack whatever they feel like.
Gosh, it is tight.
I don't know what's wrong with people, man. Just let me know if I'm too close on that side. Yes, I am very close to this side. Yeah? Chill out. Oh, God. Oh, God. And then people say I make it up. How close are we to that side then? I can barely see. I'm not gonna make it.
I think he's going now. He's going.
Which one? Him. It was the same back there. Was a car in the middle? How are we doing on that side?
Alright, nice side.
See that car there? Can't see it properly. Ah, Jesus Christ. Ah. Thank you.
You wait there.
You way there.
Wait there now. That was good, wasn't it?
Jesus. Woo. So we're dropping this trailer now. I don't know if we got anything else. We might end up going to Liverpool Docks. So we are 15 minutes early, but they say that you can go in 15 minutes earlier, so that's not a problem then. No problemo. All right guys, I'm here. Gonna do this and then I come back. So let's do that. Look at that, lifting up, way. All right, twist locks. I can't stress enough how much you need to make sure that this is actually off. Twist it, turns, and just make sure it's off. Then repeat the process all the way around. Goes out like that. There you go. And then repeat. Double check. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're good to go.
He's looking at you.
And that's it, got it all done. So let's get out of here now. Twist the locks back up.
Oh.
That's it. Like I said before, just put it away, all of them. All right guys, so change the last minute. We're gonna go and get a container now from Elder Point, and then we're gonna head to the yard. And when we get to the yard, we're just going to drop the trailer. It's a job for Friday that we already got set up, so that's good. Something coming up, so let's go and pick that trailer up. So let's go. Let's see. Yeah, because I need to go in and give them like numbers and stuff. All right, I left the truck there. Just have to walk in here to tell them my number and all that, and container 20 foot long, whatever. All right, I got the paperwork to go and collect this, and let's get back in the truck now. For that, I need to go and show you how I made the trailer shorter. So come on, come with me, I'll show you quickly. Right. Start the brake off first. It's simple as this. All you gotta do is just put the brake first and push that. The pin goes in straight away. It was out here. Oh, listen to it. All we gotta do is just push forward a bit, so that comes out and goes in here. I have to push forward from over there because I think, because it wasn't an angle, the pin wasn't going in, but now it's in. So what I learned from that is always trying to have a flat surface, and when you got a flat surface, do it there. Don't do it in a downside or an incline or something. I think it's this one and this one. No, it's this one and that one. There's a 20. So it's easy to get confused, but if I'm wrong, I just ask somebody, that person's gonna tell me, yeah, listen, it's not like that, or yes, it's like that. It's always good to ask. And to be fair, that looks like a 20 to me. So, oh, this guy's got a 20 in the back, so I just check his. So yeah, that's fine. So that's a 20. That's it. And he's on the pin, the third pin, I think. Oh, so in here says for the 45-foot box, and he says 40 as well, and for the 20 on the third. And then you got a 30 boxes in the second, and on the fourth you got a 2 20s and a 40 as well. I got told that that's better than the 40. So let's go in. Hey, thank you. So all we gotta do is show them that. So all we gotta do is to show the black. So follow the black. Yeah. So it's murder going on here. So he got it through, he's gonna go through it, and then I'm gonna go through it, and then that guy have to turn around and go through it, and then everybody's trying to go through, and that's one of the fridges over there. So we're getting a 20 now. It's gonna put a 20 in the back, and we're ready to get out of here, pack up in the yard, and I might take the truck for a clean as well. So all right, that's our container, drop it in, and then we get out of here. So we got a container, and all we gotta do is just get out of here. So I need to check that trailer. Well, I need to check the container is properly on, get my twist locks in, and I should be all right to get out. Let's get that container on properly. So when you get a container, just make sure that you lock this, like I always say. I'm not even wearing gloves, I am. Jesus. And just make sure it hasn't got any holes or anything like that. And there you go, that's on now. And just the doors at the back, a little like that. I don't know, that's probably petty, but I just like to have it all done. And then you get your paperwork and then go in the office.
No, I'm just saying there's lots of traffic and waiting.
No, it is.
Not much driving.
Well,
Could save a little quick mileage.
no, the way you're saying it. Oh, that's one of Stinsley's vehicles. Just jump, pack this, and then just take the truck out of it, and then we go.
Whoa.
Ta-da! Maybe in that one there. Hold on, I gotta ring him first. I'm not gonna learn to drive on my truck, no chance. Staying back there, then.
Do you want me to get out?
I won't be able to hear you if you shout.
Very loud. I'm going fast. No, I'm slippy on here. I don't want to slide out the door. Imagine. Where's she gone?
Come on.
One of these days. Which side do you want me? This side? Your side?
No, that side, because that's the side where the thing is. Oh. Just like try. Let's go have a look at this so we can put it in the proper place so it's not bothering anyone. All right. So let's do the last bit. Brake. I want my plate back. These legs. Oh God. Obviously put my number plate away. This one's. There you go. All good, we can go home. Let's see. All right, that was a nice day. Dead easy, we'll say. The truck is in now. I just make sure everything's sound. To be honest, can't ask for more. Truck is all right. So, and that was the vlog of today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you later in the next vlog of Trucking UK. See you in a bit, kids.